Cannabidiol (CBD) oil is a product that's derived from cannabis. It's a type of cannabinoid, which are the chemicals naturally found in marijuana plants. Even though it comes from marijuana plants, CBD doesn't create a high effect or any form of intoxication that's caused by another cannabinoid, known as THC. Here's what you need to know about 4 potential medical uses of CBD and where the research stands. 1. Anxiety relief. CBD may be able to help you manage anxiety. Researchers think trusted source it may change the way your brain's receptors respond to serotonin, a chemical linked to mental health. One study trusted source found that a 600 mg dose of CBD helped people with social anxiety give a speech. Other early studies done with animals have shown that CBD may help relieve anxiety by A. Reducing stress. B. Decreasing physiological effects of anxiety, such as an increased heart rate. C. Improving symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder (PTSD). D. Inducing sleep in cases of insomnia. 2. Pain relief. The effects of CBD oil on your brain's receptors may also help you manage pain. Studies have shown that cannabis can offer some benefits when taken after chemotherapy treatments. Other preclinical studies sponsored by the National Institutes of Health are also looking at the role of cannabis in relieving symptoms caused by arthritis, chronic pain, MS pain, muscle pain and spinal cord injuries. For instance, nabiximols Sativex, a multiple sclerosis drug made from a combination of TCH and CBD, is approved in the United Kingdom and Canada to treat MS pain. 3. Neuroprotective. According to research, CBD could help people with neurodegenerative disorders, which are diseases that cause the brain and nerves to deteriorate over time. This receptor is known as CB1. Researchers are studying the use of CBD oil for treating Alzheimer's disease, multiple sclerosis (MS), Parkinson's disease and stroke. CBD oil may also reduce the inflammation that can make neurodegenerative symptoms worse. More research is needed to fully understand the effects of CBD oil for neurodegenerative diseases. 4. Cancer treatment. Some studies have investigated the role of CBD in preventing cancer cell growth, but research is still in its early stages. The National Cancer Institute trusted source (NCI) says that CBD may help alleviate cancer symptoms and cancer treatment side effects. However, the NCI doesn't fully endorse any form of cannabis as a cancer treatment. The action of CBD that's promising for cancer treatment is its ability to moderate inflammation and change how cells reproduce. CBD has the effect of reducing the ability of some types of tumor cells to reproduce.